Well, welcome back to the fourth annual National Strip-Tillage Conference. We're just outside of Omaha. We got a beautiful day. We've had a great couple days here with a lot of great attendees, and we really appreciate our title sponsors. And one of those is the Andersons with PureGrade liquid fertilizers. And joining me is Brian Banks, and he's a senior agronomist with the Andersons. And Brian, you guys have been a great supporter of us. We thank you for that. And we want to talk a little bit about the fertilizer side of things. And for example, give us a little bit about into how the Andersons and with your product line, and how it fits into strip-till, how growers might be using your products in a strip-till type of scenario.
I think one of the biggest benefits of strip-till, one of the focuses is to prepare a good seed bed. Mm-hmm. So we want to kind of latch onto that, and our fertilizer products, we want to really focus on the starter application. Mm-hmm. So we provide high quality, low salt, high orthophosphate products for that application. So you created a good seed bed with the strip-till unit. We want to enhance that with some crop nutrition that's seed safe, goes right on the seed and furrow. That's really where we want to start. In addition to that, if fertilizer is being applied with the strip-till unit, we have a whole lineup of potassium products that can be added in there, other phosphate products, low salt products, an extensive lineup of micronutrients, individual micronutrients or micronutrient packages that can be added in, as well as sulfur and calcium products. So we have a wide variety of things that can be kind of fit into anybody's management strategy, as well as an extensive lineup of foliar applied products that can be used in season for additional fertility. Yeah. So I think whether a guy's just starting with strip-till or is a veteran strip-tiller, I think we have products that can fit anybody's situation.
You got a lot of options and a lot of ways to fit a guy's operation, what he exactly needs. So,
absolutely.
One of those things that really gets a lot of attention at our conferences, and the soil health thing has really been picking up a lot. And you guys have been working with some products that really you're trying to address soil health. Tell us a little bit about those.
Yeah, I think soil health is really kind of a buzzword, like you say. It's really getting some momentum, and people are focusing on the soil health to try and increase yields. So how do we do that? You really have to think about, what is soil? It's a living being, so we want to look at the physical, the chemical, and the biological processes there. So we want to try and affect all of those. Obviously, the chemical processes, those are going to be things like fertilizers and what we really focus on. But in addition to that, then, to affect the physical and biological side, we want to look at how we can help with soil aggregation, pore space, and those sorts of things. So we'll look to bring things to the market like pelletized gypsum, pelletized lime, so we can affect the pH and get some of those things squared away. So we have a wide lineup there. And as to the biological side, we're really looking at a carbon source. We want to kind of feed the native microbes that are already there, so we have an extensive lineup of humates, both liquid and dry. Okay. So whether we're trying to affect the chemical side, the pH, things like that, we have the lime, we have the biological energy source, if you will, with the humates. So I think we have a lot of ways that we can address those soil health issues at different applications. So in the strip, broadcast even through irrigation water, in the starter application. So all of those can come together to affect that soil health.
Yeah. Well, I know you guys are always working on some new product launches. You got some things coming to the marketplace. You were telling me how you just received a patent for something too, but tell us a little bit about what you guys have coming into the marketplace.
Yeah, so we just recently were granted a patent for our Phosphix fertilizer product. That's a liquid fertilizer made for foliar applications. It's an NPK with micronutrients and some growth stimulants in there as well. It's created from phosphite, which is a little different than phosphate. Okay. So what that really is doing is trying to increase crop vigor. We're trying to reduce stress, allow that plant to handle stresses better, and then try and minimize any disease pressure that might be there. So all of that's going to come together to increase crop vigor, which ultimately leads to increased yields. So we're always looking to try and bring something new and innovative to the table. That's just one example. That's actually the first patent we've received on our specialty fertilizer side, but our plant nutrient group as a whole has over 50 patented products. So we're really looking at research and development and trying to bring new things to the table to help strip tillers and anybody that's farming today be more profitable.
Good. Well, this is Brian Banks with the Andersons. Thanks for being here.